What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another pair of true wireless earbuds, but I've got two pairs here. So I'm gonna be giving one of these away, so stick around at the end of the video to find out how to get yourself a pair of these. Oh. All right, Ti-Thor instructions, okay. Ooh, it's like a little baby bar of soap. What do we have in here? Extra ear cups, those are always good to have, and a small USB to micro USB cable. There we go. These are the Thor by Ti-Mate earbuds. These are specially designed for sports, they say, for multiple reasons. They're IPX6 rated, which means that they're definitely gonna stand up to sweat and water jets, but you don't wanna submerge these. Also, they're saying that they have an extra layer of silica for extra added comfort, which is always good. The case is a 1000 milliamp hour battery that'll charge up the earbuds. Now, the earbuds themselves are only 60 milliamp hour batteries, so you're gonna get about 2.5 to 3 hours of use out of it. But with the case, you're gonna get 8 charges from the case, so they're gonna last you all day. One thing that's really interesting about the case is that it is a wireless charging case. Now, because I am in the process of actually moving, I have actually already taken most of my equipment with me, and I don't have my wireless charger, so I can't actually test it. Or can I? No, I can't. Sorry. Dang. Also, they're saying that they're auto pairing, which means no more pairing them together. They will already do that automatically, which is nice. Push this, pop it. Oh, those are cool looking. Is there any juice? There's no juice. Let's see if we can plug this thing in. Oh, I see some lights. I hope these things aren't all the way dead already. So that's what it looks like when they're charging. You get the little lightning symbol light up. That looks pretty cool. They're definitely a different shape than what I've seen in other earbuds. Wow, they weren't lying. That extra added layer of silica is super smooth. They definitely have an ergonomic curve, but they also have this extra piece here that is, I'm not too familiar with, but that should fill in that gap like right here. So they have a single button click on the top. So that one says left, this one says right. Oh, wow. Those are, wow, look at that. Oh man, these are not gonna budge. Wow, that is one heck of a seal. They're really nice. They're really low profile, and the way that they fill in the ear down here is like really, really good. I mean, that's really good because they're not budging. All right, let's turn them on. I hope there's power. Power on. Oh. They connected. Nice. There they are, the Ti-Thor. All right, you know what? This time we're gonna start off with Good Mythical Morning. Wow, that's loud. Okay, first off, super clear highs. Very, very nice. I really like that. I do notice a slight delay. I mean, a very, very faint. It's almost unrecognizable, so there is a little bit of latency. I do see that. Let's try the back pocket test real quick. It's good so far. Not bad. These are nice. Let's have some volume to them. Wow. These have really good sound. Very, very clear. Oh man, and there's that slight rumble in there. I'm gonna try something with a little more bass. All right, moment of truth. Give me some good bass. That's not bad. Wow. That's pretty good. Also, I just remembered something. Yeah, they actually state on their Amazon page that these are shock and shake resistant. I'm gonna put them to the test. I wanna do a serious shake test here. Let me make sure they're really nice in there. Cram them right down into my eardrum. There we go. Yeah, they're right. Oh, a little dizzy. They weren't lying. These are definitely shake resistant. Huh, that hurt. Okay, so bass, really super smooth bass, really good. Man, these are nice. Okay, let's go ahead and make a phone call. Hello? Hey, can you hear me? How do I sound? I sound good? It sounds like I'm on speaker. Oh, okay. But do I sound clear? Like, I mean, could we have a conversation like this? Okay, cool. Yeah, you sound really clear too. All right, not bad. All right, you know what? I forgot to test the distance. Let's do a distance check. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got about like almost like right at 30 feet and they cut out. So, you know, not bad. Pretty expected. Okay, where do I start with these? These things are actually, I'm surprised with these. Honestly, these are really good. These are actually really good. I would honestly say out of the true wireless earbuds that I've tested out so far, I'd probably grab for these first. If I was gonna go work out, these aren't bad at all. They're pretty comfortable. They create a really good seal. When you put these in, they feel like they're not gonna go anywhere. Like they really feel like they become a part of your ear. The volume level on these are actually really impressive. But the impressive part about it is even at the top end, the highest of the volume, it's real loud, but it's still very clear. It doesn't get distorted at all. It sounds really good. The bass on here is really smooth. It's very smooth. It's there. You can definitely get it. You definitely get immersed in the sound with these. They have a really good all-around highs, mids, and lows. For true wireless earbuds, I think I'm gonna go with like all 7 across the board. 5, you know, being what would be expected. I'm gonna give them a good 7 through highs, mids, and lows. $50 for some true wireless earbuds that are gonna definitely last through your workout. I would definitely say if you're looking for some sports true wireless earbuds, this is a great place to start looking. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. It's gonna be clearly indicated. It'll say contest link with a couple flames next to it. Next to that is gonna have a date. That is the date, that is the deadline to enter. If after that date, you can't enter anymore. Minimum requirement is to subscribe to the channel. Again, if you're looking for some sports true wireless earbuds, start with these. These are awesome. They're very discreet and they're definitely designed for sports, no doubt. But again, the contest link down below, but I'll leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here.